Philharmagic, please move all the way down your row and fill in all the available seats. Do not stop in the middle.
Now it's time to choose a role and move yourself.
We ask that you please refrain from eating, drinking, or using flash photography during today's performance. All right, everyone, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the Philharmagic Orchestra. Where's Donald? The orchestra's missing it. It's showtime.
Showtime? Well, I gotta open the curtains. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey. Oh my gosh. Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra. And don't touch my hat.
I'll show you those nuts.
Bonjour! It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, chérie, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. Sleep as you digest. United by your freedom, but for now, serving and be our guest. Be our guest.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my perfection's complete. Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore above? Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of you. Like the king was before. I'm brushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my roar.
Thus far, rather uninspiring thing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm staying in the spotlight.
Not yet. Show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view, no one to tell us no, where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
the show, everybody. Oh, and on your way out, please put your opera glasses in the special containers near the exit. Thanks. And have a Philharmagical day.